Alrighty, here we are at the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Hershey. We have a ThyssenKrupp here with a complete, what do you call it, matte BS replacement. It's pretty nice. These aren't... Oh, look at that. Just have the call recognition. That's funny. Let's go back down to 1. Doesn't even feel like we're moving. Contact's broken for the door close button. Get it back further than normal. Green cabin. Pretty nice cabs. I like that call recognition thing. That's funny. Send that down to 1. And we'll switch up here. Now we just wait for this car. Here's your directory. This must have been recent because these are like brand new buttons. I think this one's here. Yep. Over-leveled. This one has a lower capacity, let's go up to 5. This one has 2,500 pound capacity. That fan is obnoxiously loud. Oh, this one does it too. This one sounds like it's a little bit low on oil. It just had trouble leveling. Right down to 1 and that's it off. Man, that is fun though. Get a cab view. This one's smaller cab. Fire service is up there. That's funny though. Oh, Xavier, I have something for you. Stop switch. Close. And that's it.